we're gonna be preserving some lemurs. Some lemurs, okay. Summertime, bleh. It is magical stuff. Welcome to the Hunter Report. It is winter and today we're gonna be preserving some lemons for the summertime. Thinking ahead, it's a good idea. This is a traditional North African kind of dish. You're gonna find it in tagine stews, on fresh fish, in ceviches. It's incredibly powerful. It's like lemon zest times 10. Stay with me, please give me thumbs up, please subscribe, and let me show you how to do this. Here's what we're gonna need in our spice department. Salt, coriander seeds, lots and lots of pepper seeds, and bay leaves. These are fresh bay leaves, but you can also use dried ones. In lemons, I've got the organic lemons because we're eating the skin of these preserved lemons. The organic lemons are the ones whose skin we're gonna eat, and then the ones we're gonna make lemon juice out of, these are non-organic lemons because the pesticides tend to get into the skin of the fruit. So once you cut it open and squeeze it, there's a lot less cancer-causing pesticides. So that's our basic game plan. So let's go ahead and juice the non-organic lemons. Now that we have our lemon juice squeezed, let's move on to processing the lemons. So we've got our canning jar. We don't necessarily have to go all the way. We're not gonna cut all the way through. I'm gonna do a cross cut, 2 directions, maybe about 3/4 of the way down, maybe a little more. Remember, we're eating the skin. It's basically the way we want it to look. So for each lemon, be very generous with the salt. Then just a little bit of peppercorn. Make sure to do it over the bowl because we're going to take all this and put it in. And so that's how it looks. We just place it right in the jar. And then after it's in the jar, just sprinkle it a little bit. Make sure to get some bay leaves at the bottom. See how there's a lot of space at the bottom? We want the juice to cover as much of the lemons as possible. So let's use the stick to gently push it down. We want a little bit of the gases to be able to escape. So it's sort of like doing laundry. You don't want to jam the laundry machine full of laundry, now do we? While we still have some space, let's get some peppercorns just evenly distributed. Got some good bay leaves going on, very nice. Then simply pour the lemon juice over and seal it. Top it off. We're gonna leave this in the refrigerator for minimum a month. You really want 2 months. This is gonna last easily 6 months to a year. It's good to get this going now while it's still winter so that these are ready for those fresh spring and summer fish and tagine dishes. So when the lemon is ready to be served, remove all of the pulp. And then this is where it really helps to have a chef's knife. We want to make the surface as flat as possible. And then we shave off the rind and the pulp. Anything that's white, you shave off because it's bitter. Mostly skin here. And now this is all edible, really soft, really tangy. Then you just do little strips. Like this. And then we go in the other direction. And now we have this beautiful, beautiful. This can go on fish, this can go in so many recipes. Stay tuned with me and we're gonna get to some of the recipes you can use with preserved lemon. Welcome to the Hunter Report. Today we're gonna be doing real authentic cowboy chili with beer, chocolate, and coffee. Now what did cowboys have? Well, they had the trail, they had Mexico, which gets us to mole, and they definitely had coffee. So they really combined the things they had at hand, and it makes it actually something that's pretty tasty. Please give me thumbs up, please subscribe. All right, let's get down to it, yeehaw! So this is what I call real chili, because it's made with chocolate, it is made with a robust porter. Porter usually means dark beer, and this is by Smutty Nose. and it is known for its chocolatey and coffee flavors, which is exactly what we're doing. We're layering our chocolate. This is Cafe Bustelo. It's especially for espresso. It has a really great flavor for the price. So again, we're laying coffee, chocolate, and beer, and we're getting these layers going as many times as possible throughout the recipe. We have chipotle chilies, which